Energy Acquisition Corp. This one's probably too late to trade. That's a pretty long, but you might watch it a while and see what it does. Smithland Corporation. Here's a new spike. So this is all stuff that's happened Friday. You could have bought this one here. We can go in here and we can change this. And let's say we want to find this within the last week. And we hit OK. And now it returns 38 stocks that within the last week have had a volume spike. You might justify buying that. You wouldn't buy that. You could probably buy that. This is Workhorse Group. You've got your nice smiles there. Volume is okay. Your breakout was right here, but it's still consolidating. You could get in on that one. This one's a little late, but here's the volume spikes back here. So if you would have saw these on time, you would have bought it right in this area at 13. Nice, strong, on-balance volume line. So a lot of this is timing and just knowing what to look for. And now you know what to look for. You're looking for the volume spike, rising on-balance volume. In fact, I'm in this one right now. This is iHeartRadio. Here's your cup and handle. And I bought $400 worth of this. Or $800 worth. Anyway, I'm in that one right now. Volume spikes all through here. Nice base. Would have been better to have caught this one back here. This is a little extended, but it's not a bad looking chart. Okay, here's one that just recently broke out, and as you can see, I just bought it recently. Rising on balance volume. Clearly definable buy points. I was a day late, but clearly definable. This one is a hot mess. I have no idea what's going on here. But on balance volume is rising completely through this whole chart. This would have been a buy point at 10.53. So maybe you'd be in it, maybe you wouldn't. Who knows? Smithland Corporation. Here's another one where you had a nice sideways consolidation area. Let's look and see what on balance volume is doing. So on balance volume is just going down through here. So this would look like distribution to me. Probably wouldn't have traded this one. Let's see if there's a point where trading makes sense. Yeah, not really. You can't trade all of them. So here you go. This looks pretty good. Here's your consolidation period. I don't know, on balance volume still looking kind of down, but I just like the way this chart looks. And of course it broke out here. Huge volume spike. Another huge volume spike, nice consolidation area. It's coming out of an area where you would consider buying it. Town Square Media. Looks like a 52-week high as well. Hire Car. This one looks pretty good. There's your cup and handle. Rising on balance volume all the way through. Lots of volume spikes on green days. And then you have a breakout here at $9.99. This seems like an interesting stock. So what I'm going to do is I am going to place an order right now. I'm going to buy $800 worth, which in this case is 80 shares. This is a good till canceled order. And so my order just popped in at 10:01. So if this market opens up at 10.01 or below, then they're going to buy me this stock. And this is basically how I do it. I run the scan and I go through and I just look at charts that I think are interesting. And if they're interesting and I think they're going to go up, I buy the stock. Now, if that order gets filled, okay, then after that order gets filled, I will go in and put my stop loss in and then just leave it alone. You let it ride. The market's going to do whatever it's going to do. It's either going to go in your favor or it's going to go against you. That's it. There's only two things that can happen. Here's another one. Nice spike on volume. On balance volume's going up all the way through. This is another chart that looks pretty good. I'm going to let that one age a little bit. Here's one I have a buy order on. Again, spike in volume, spike in volume. Nice smiley face. I actually traded this one once before, and I sold out all the way up here, and now I'm going to try and buy back again. And I did that because this stock has a tendency to make these big runs, and when they make these big runs, it also has a tendency to fall back down. So I just did a quick trade on that. But you don't have to. Your stop loss will be right there. I mean, when you do that, you can miss a major run, so you don't typically want to do that. Here's another one I just bought. Look at this chart. This chart basically looks like hell, but your on balance volume is gradually going up, even though all of this price activity is just really loud, you know. But this kind of looks like consolidation to me. Come all the way through here and your on balance volume is moving up. So maybe something's going to happen. Here's another one that just recently broke out. There's my order. I'm actually already in it. Look at all this heavy volume in here. This is just screaming that the stock has woken up. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a stock that was asleep. I should have bought it back here, that has now woken up. And so I'm in it. And there's my stop loss already. And this is going to trail up. Now this order line doesn't make any sense because I don't know, it's just the way they do it. But that order is actually down here. All right, look at this one. Just woke up. Bang. Nice gradual on balance volume move. This whole thing right here is a smile. The downtrend was broken. This is a pretty good stock. Clearly definable buy point up here. But I'm not going to buy it. All right, here's one that I did buy. I don't know if we looked at this chart before. But here's your nice long smile. You have a smile and volume. I bought the breakout here at 263, and I'm up $1,000 in this trade on 500 shares. So that's pretty good, and there was actually more than one opportunity to buy this one. But here's what the chart looked like before I bought it. On balance volume is rising. See, you even have a new high right here, and the stock hasn't even broke out yet. There's your smile. There's your smile. Here's your breakout. Huge volume on the breakout. This is what you're looking for. This is the image you want to burn in your head. Let's go back and that's the image you want to burn in your head right there. That's almost the perfect chart. Cup and handle. Lots of volume spikes. Here's volume on a breakout. This could be another good trade. You'd buy it right here. Actually, I really like this one too. We're going to trade 1% of my account volume, which is $800. It's a limit order at 520, which I'm fine with. So we'll go ahead and put that order in. And I'll probably end up buying this stock on Monday. Another pharmaceutical company. This looks pretty good through here. Lots of pickup in volume. Plus you have this huge spike. I'm going to pass on that one.